Normally, during the treatment, if you are not familiar with this machine, we suggest you start from the low energy as starting. And then during the treatment, you do some tests to your patient and you ask, how do you feel? Can you still afford this pain? If the customer say, oh yeah, it's fine. So you increase a little bit more energy. And for different machines, you have different settings of this energy here. So when you are buying this machine, you need to ask your supplier, normally, what is the range of the energy I can use? For example, and then factory will tell you, normally you start at 5, maximum is 10. If beyond 10 is too much energy, so don't use it. Normally people don't use it. So you just start from 5. You increase little by little. And then you adjust the energy based on the reaction from your patient. When you are more familiar with this machine, then you will know which energy is suitable to have a good result without hurting the skin, without too much pain. And then it will be very nice. The rest of it is not very special. It's very simple. The main part is you need to know how to adjust the energy. That's very important. And the treatment size for the treatment tip, there are different sizes. And there are bigger ones, smaller one. And the bigger one is for the big area. It's like the face, like here. And small one, it can do like for eyes or for some small areas. You can use the small one. Or even bigger one can for body, can do body treatment. So different sizes for different area. And also when you are buying a machine and the supplier will tell you this tip is for face, this tip is for eye, this tip is for body. So you need to distinguish very well. And the rest, very simple, very easy to manage with this machine, very easy. And so next, with long-term availability, promote dermal proliferation, anti-aging and anti-wrinkle, help metabolize melanin. So those are the main results from this machine, and normally RF system can reach them.